Mambo vipi? Wacha kunitamia bana.
Subscribe to Wegem DC. The button is down below. You know what it is.
What's up guys? What's up my people? This is Wegem DC. Welcome back to the new video. In case if you're anyone, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'm with my friend right here actually. Where are we? Yeah.
We're actually in Livingstone at Taonga Safaris.
We
are going on a boat cruise.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is your name? Introduce yourself, man.
What's up? It's me, your girl Queen Lika from Lusaka, and we are back again with another banger video.
Wow. Man, so we are here. We are going to the boat. We'll be in this river. Yeah, Victoria River. I don't know. What's the name of that river? Eh?
Zambezi River.
Zambezi River, yeah. So we'll be there with a boat. You see a lot of people are coming here with their families. You see? You see other right there. You see? All these cars. You see a lot of cars right here. And this is...
You are wearing a jingle.
Yeah. This is Robert. Robert, can you say hello?
What's up? What's up?
Yeah. Where are we?
We are now on
Livingstone. We are going to the
Taonga Safaris.
Livingstone, yes.
Whoa. So we are here, guys. We are going there. So let's keep watching this video. In case if you're anyone, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Give a like this video, man. Share to others if it's okay. But the most important thing is to subscribe for more travel videos. Join to the family. I'm with my friends that are here are also YouTubers. This one, whoa. Let me help her, man.
We carry from this side.
Yeah. We can go there. Is it
we are going to have fun this side. So
yeah.
Let's go.
Ooh, you see boats. And I think this is the biggest boat is under construction. They're just building this one.
So we go straight to the boat.
Oh, straight to the boat?
It's a booze cruise, you've seen?
Ooh, yeah.
It's a booze cruise.
You see right here.
We're going straight to the boat.
Booze cruise. Oh, very so interesting. So guys, I have this package right here. This beautiful girl gave me this. So I'm just helping her. Yeah, you see? This are called flying fish.
I've actually given Wegem a job. What are you carrying for me?
Yeah. Flying fish for Queen Lika.
He's gonna be taking water because he's a sober guy.
Yeah.
Can you give me this? They're going to finish spinning.
Going up there.
See everything. We can.
Yeah.
Put it down.
I'm the one who be drinking with the wood.
Now I need pictures so that I think to those guys. They put me on their page.
Yeah?
Jesus!
What's up?
I think I'm having a heart attack.
You say heart attack me. And I don't know even the best age.
Hello?
Hey.
What? Okay.
So guys, you see, we are waiting to start the trip. Actually, there is too much. You see, there is another right there,
I think I love it.
and another one is right there. I don't know our direction actually. This side or that side?
Go like this.
Ah, okay.
Zooming.
Oh, zooming.
Yeah. Remember when we went to the Lake Duluth?
I can use your camera to capture. I think your camera looks good.
Awesome.
Okay.
No problem. Okay, yeah.
Mbelamushe kwa sira no ma photos no ma videos.
Ngaziko ba umana.
So have you seen, where did we come from? Where did we start from?
Where did I start from?
Boat, where did the boat come from? There?
There.
Over there?
No, there. So we're just starting our trip actually, and the place where we're going is there. We're going there, and that is our captain. Woo, people.
I don't want you super hippos.
So guys, you see we are moving like this. The thing is really moving. It's really moving. Man, let me tell you something. See people are taking
I should be putting one.
picture.
One.
I'm just enjoying to be here. You wait, please. It's not much good to stay,
To swim, to be staying,
to swim or to be, to play. So guys, this is how we do. We just relaxing. That's why we arranged it the last activity that we are doing here in Livingstone. Actually, we have already watched. If you watched the previous videos, we had 3 activities today, and this is the last one. First of all, the first one was lion walk.
Oh, lion walk.
Lion walk. I hope you guys can watch the previous video. You will see it. The second one was falls, Livingstone Falls, Victoria Falls, right?
Yes, correct.
Yeah, the Victoria Falls. Right? But the origin name,
The Mos Otunya, that's the original name of the Victoria Falls. The Mos Otunya.
Yeah.
The smoke that thunders.
Yeah. So this is the last one. The last one is a boat cruise.
Yes, so now we are going on a boat cruise on the Zambezi River.
On the Zambezi River.
So this is the same river that flows into on the falls and makes the Victoria Falls.
Okay. Yeah. But are you enjoying?
Yes, I enjoy a lot.
Okay. Nice to be here. The place is kind of chilling, guys. If you come in Zambia for just as a photoalism issues, you must visit this place, especially these 3 things I told you about. Lion walk, it's all about Big 5, right? Big 5.
Yes,
Yeah.
Big 5.
You can do you can visit also falls, the biggest falls, man. It's my first day. I enjoyed. You can watch the previous video, so maybe you can get what I say. And last thing is this: we are enjoying this boat. We're going to do a boat cruise. Oh, we are doing right now. Is this what the boat cruise means?
Okay, boat cruise, it means cruising.
Yeah.
Because on the road we say driving. Now on water we call it, so we are cruising.
Guys, I'm just getting education here. As you know, your boys come from deep in the village. You can watch my previous video. So every day we are learning, right? And
So,
as you know, in Tanzania, we're just learning one word One word. Yeah. Okay.
So here, that's why we are calling it boat cruise. It's a big thing. It is double decker.
Yeah.
Down
there, you see other people down there, huh? So we are here.
So we are on top.
Yeah.
So that's why now this is the place where. So we are cruising on the water.
Yeah. 15 seconds. So I know a lot of people, maybe they could ask themselves, what is the boat cruising? That is the instructions. So that is all, guys. We are enjoying to be here. Nice to be in Zambia. It's my first visit, but
Mambo vipi? Wacha kunitamia bana. Subscribe to Wegem DC. The button is down below. You know what it is.